Irving Burgie wrote 8 of the 11 songs on Harry Belafonte's Calypso album. In Burgie's long and historic career, he wrote more than 34 songs for Harry Belafonte.
I would rather talk about
It's cute, Delia.
Daylight come and me want go home.
Deo became the first LP in history to sell 1 million units in 1956. It was number 1 on the Billboard charts for 32 weeks.
Until the morning come. Daylight come and me want go home.
Known as one of the greatest composers of Caribbean music, Irving Burgie songs have sold over 100 million records throughout the world.
When I reach Jamaica, I really stop, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I have to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Irving Burgie was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 2007.
Hello, my name is Irving Burgie, and I'm here to join the celebration. I'm a composer and a songwriter, and I've been writing old songs for the last 65 years. And I wrote the biggest songs that were ever written for the Caribbean, including Deo, which I wrote for Harry Belafonte in 1955, and it became the song of the century. I wrote also Jamaica Farewell for Harry Belafonte, and I wrote for the movie, which he starred in, Island in the Sun. I wrote the song Island in the Sun.
Island in the Sun was directed by Robert Rawson from a script by Alfred Hayes. This is a story of intrigue, of conflict. It is the story of a clash of personalities, personalities of the West Indies.
Right after that, I wrote Angelina for him. So over a 6-year period, I wrote 30 songs for Harry Belafonte. And they're still very popular today. It's what's kept me alive for the last 65 years. And we're still going strong with it. And they're doing a retake, a stage version of Beetlejuice pretty soon. And I wrote the big song for that, of course, you know. And that's coming out in October. Yeah, Beetlejuice. And then it's supposed to come to Broadway right after that. Yeah. So, pardon?
Do you sing?
Oh, I used to be a singer. I was a singer and guitarist.
Okay, can you sing something for me? Anything that you like?
Sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.